Ha? Kuya, ani mo agi? Sige. Yeah, go on the other side, babe. Warm because it's hot. Daghan baroy na nag-fishing pod kuya?
Ganin ang buntak, ma'am.
Duha ka bangka.
Basta pag-ay ko.
Fishing today.
Yeah, right time for the big fish is like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, we have like 2 hours. So we spend that time by using a shrimp for the small fish. Yeah, we're gonna do a small fish first. Yeah, just for fun. Then yeah, after maybe at 3 o'clock we're gonna go in the deep for the try to catch a massive fish. But I want to remind you guys that big fish is not guaranteed. Yeah, sometimes we have a big fish there, but sometimes yeah we don't have it. But we're gonna try it.
Okay, kuya. Thank you. The boat is there.
Ol, yaman sa dagdagan, Ol. Agad isa. Ginawa sa kumay.
But
Yeah, but
I
you do-
fish on the river.
Ah, yeah, in the fresh water. So this is you need to jump all the way down in the bottom, then make the line tight, then wait for the fish. Yes, then if you feel something, then you need to flick it.
You understand?
No. I just don't fishing.
So we are using a shrimp for a bait. So we can play inside because it's very hot in the front. But later in jigging, you need to go in the front.
Okay.
You need to pump all the time.
Good. It's many boat.
Hmm?
It's many boat.
Yeah.
Kol, ad-ade lang kog mga gamay lang sa kol. Kaya kung masugdan na sila kol kay drift ta. Sir, you can sit down here.
You
both.
sit down here,
And you also-
Rebel. Ako po. You catch first. Good job. Ah. Hala, ang saya.
That kind of fish is good for grilled.
Wow. Unsay pangan diha net, kuya?
Trigger fish. Sa to ugot at apoy. Ugot.
You win. Yeah, yay.
Sama na beng. Bosa, sayang. Patay naman po. It's also good. Ibutan mo ko deh. Iya pa oh.
Wow. Another fish. Pasignanan ning ang
Ang wala nakabuhi. Ay ay ay.
Pabuhi na kuya.
Nakabuhi jud ma'am.
Oh, they eat already, babe.
Жадная рыба, где?
Saka daw ma'am.
Isa ka. I catch one. Thank you, kuya. Picturean sana. Okay, thank you. Okay. Dako. Dako, my love, oh. Ay, oh, big one, babe. Ooh. Pwede na naisog ba?
Catch two.
I catch two. I'm the winner na talaga, my love. I don't feel it, but I try to up it.
How you don't feel it's not?
Yan, kuya. Yay! Pwede ako
Kaya
tumayo.
ma'am.
Ay, i-picture. Ay, i-video na laman, kuya. Okay ra. Ako ra ng i-screenshot. Ay, punta ka na rin. I catch two.
Ha? Cambio rami anero.
Makaan ba na, kuya?
Hmm.
Makaan. Yay! Too big one. Too big, babe. Not able to take video pala. Yay! We catch two. We catch two. Unsa ning isda ako ya?
Kahit na sa snapper. Solid.
Ah. I-remove it. We catch two, ah. Good na nag-transfer there.
Kapalos.
You put the... Sure.
Moonfish.
Moonfish?
Moonfish.
So this one you need to head in the bottom. Yeah, you can go. Yeah, 40 meters up, then you're up again. Then you can pump slowly, not so fast. So yeah, you save your energy.
Pwede siguro magtindog.
Pwede kung
Matumba ba?
picture ni ma'am.
Kuya, video na kuya, okay
Ah,
na.
video.
Mahon, ma'am.
Pero, wait lang kuya ha.
Okay. Kuhaon po na po itong sa cellphone ma'am.
There fish po na siya. Mahon.
Yay! Angel fish!
Yes!
Naon ba kuya? Naon ang video? Nakaon ba na? Ah, nakaon.
Grabe, kaswerte na mga ma'am.
Babe, oh, you take a picture. Serious?
Natsa ma'am ha, kay
Ah, sige
picturean
lang.
tapog ka. Kay mangita ra ba itong among bushing ug kuan.
Angel fish na I mean.
Ah.
Pwede na magpahinga. Nakakuha na.
Champion na naman, isa na na-upload.
Yay!
Ngit-ngit man sa kuha ma'am.
Ha?
Diri daw ka.
Bala na sige mag-
Tubang. Kana.
Wala.
Mission complete. Mission complete.
Ikaw sa last. Kuha ka ginawa. You try to up it, babe. You try to up it. You how I fish. Angel fish. Wow.
Saan pagkabuhi ano mo nampak manitan na.
Ah. Pwede na.
Kanina ko dan duhawa magsaba. Sikreto ra.
People eat this?
Na, mukhaan ba ng mga tao? Oh yeah, babe. They say it's good for grill. You try on my side. You try on my side, Vidali.